Continuum of evaluation for different types of products. Evaluation, as we know, is easier for goods, which can be evaluated using the 5 senses that we have, and maybe a few tools and equipment. Whereas evaluation for services becomes that much more difficult because of several reasons which we have encountered in the previous lectures. Okay, now let us look at how goods and services are distributed over a scale, and how we can understand what this evaluation means, how it is done. This is the datum. We have on two extremes the easy to evaluate and the difficult to evaluate. From here we move on to saying that most goods are easy to evaluate, whereas most services are towards the difficult end of the datum. This is the scenario more or less understood by all of us. Now, we have picked a certain standard goods and services, both of them are products, and we have put them on the scale over here. Okay, it's starting with clothing, and it ends over here with medical diagnosis, which is an extremely high end of services. Okay, now in order to understand this little better, what we do is we introduce 3 types of evaluation over here. First is the high-end search qualities. With these products, what happens is we can search for the product, we can evaluate the product based on the search that we have done. Merely by searching, by looking at the product, we can evaluate the product. Now, moving on to the second class of products, we have vacations, haircuts, childcare, television repair. All these would require little more than merely searching. Merely searching for the product will not give us enough information to say whether this product is something that we would accept or not. It would require us to go and actually use the service more than once, maybe once at least, in order for us to come and fix a quality index on the product itself. This is why we call them high-end experience qualities. Unless we experience it, we cannot evaluate the product quality. Moving on from here, we have another situation where we say these products like medical services, auto repair, root canal, again a medical service, legal services, these are high in credence quality, meaning that somebody else who has experienced it would have to come back and tell us that these are good. Only then we will accept it. And this person who is saying that the product, who's evaluating the product, who's saying it is either good or bad, or putting an index on the product quality, that has to be a person whom we regard as somebody higher than us in terms of knowledge, and whose quality judgment we will accept. So these are high in credence quality, these things. So we see from this entire representation that goods are most focused on evaluation qualities, and most high end services will have some amount of credence to drive us to accepting the product. Thank you.